The GPD Pocket 3's little powerhouse has captured the attention of tech enthusiasts, and for good reason. Let's explore the top 5 reasons why you should consider adding this device to your arsenal. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and the best prices. Reason number 1. Unbelievable portability. The GPD Pocket 3 is a pocket-sized powerhouse weighing in at just 1.61 pounds. It's like having a full-fledged computer in the palm of your hand. Whether you're a digital nomad, a student, or simply someone on the go, this laptop will be your constant companion. Don't be fooled by its size. It packs a punch with up to an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 1 terabyte of lightning-fast SSD storage. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or handling complex tasks, this laptop delivers. Reason number 3. Versatile design. The GPD Pocket 3 is more than just a laptop. It's a tablet, a handheld gaming console, and a productivity machine, all in one. With its 360-degree hinge and detachable keyboard, you can find the perfect mode for any situation. The 8-inch touchscreen is perfect for both work and play. Say goodbye to constantly searching for outlets. It features an impressive 10,000 mAh battery, providing up to 8 hours of playtime, allowing you to stay productive and entertained throughout the day. Whether you're on a flight, a coffee shop, or simply away from a power source, you can rely on this laptop to keep up with you. Reason number 5. Unique features. The GPD Pocket 3 goes beyond the basics with features like a fingerprint scanner for added security, a backlit keyboard for low-light conditions, stylus support for creative tasks, and a modular I/O port for customization. These extras make a big difference in everyday use. This is a truly impressive mini laptop that offers portability, performance versatility, long battery life, and unique features. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful device, this might be the perfect choice for you. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information and the best deals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.